Alright, everybody, it's now, look at the time, 5:13 a.m. Just on my way to work, but look at the color of that. Really strange looking sky. I know it rained overnight. Man, this is weird looking. Just gonna let it play another minute here. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, man, what is that? Look at that color blue, everybody. Compared to there on the horizon. Wow. All right. Yeah, it's pretty wild looking. Okay, let's pause it. Okay, everybody, I just wanted to capture that real quick. Sure not right, I'll tell you that. And she's a cloudy morning. Like I said, it's been raining. I don't know if you guys can see the water on the road. You can see the glare. But I'm going to go ahead and end it for now. Got to capture that. When I get closer to an open spot on the lake, I'll try to come back and get one last shot, everybody. But for now, that's going to have to be it. So, thanks for watching. It's the mouth of the Sawa River right here, where everybody we're going over right now. Now it's 5:24. Another day of work. Alright, everybody, that's gonna probably be it for the day, because I know we got rain forecasted for the day, so not really a lot, but got a little something anyways. So with that, everybody, take care and have a blessed day and night wherever you are. Thanks for watching.